While looking for a design tool, you may hear about Kittl. If you don't know much about this design solution, then this video is just for you, because we are going to explore and describe the tool in this video. So let's get started. First, we're going to get a web browser, and then we are going to go to Google search Kittl. Alright, so first one is the Kittl's website. So we're going into the website, and now we're going to try Kittl for free. Alright, so we're going to use Google to sign up for a free account. Alright, now we're going to select our Google account. So there we have it, our Kittl has been registered. What are we using Kittl for? Well, let's see. Inspiration. Oh man, it's gone. Alright, so social media. Let's see what the Kittl editor has in social tabs. As you can see, and it's app.kittl.com/social. Alright, we can choose templates. We are gonna skip tour. Okay, we're gonna skip tour again. Alright, we have new project here. As you can see, guys, new project here. We can change background color to anything that we want. Alright, but first things first, we are gonna go and explore the app mainly. As you can see, we have all category here, then we have Kittl AI, then we have logos, we have labels, we have t-shirts, posters, cards, social, Y2K, streetwear, and everything. So it depends on you, what are you trying to make? Cards, posters, t-shirts, social media posts, streetwear, and anything in between. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a card at the moment. So let's select this template, cards. Alright, so here are the perfect cards design that it's given to me. So now I can select any card template, and then I can edit it to my own likings. So let's see what we can do. Let's say we're gonna make a Christmas card. Alright, so here is a Christmas card. Let's select it. I'm gonna use this design, so let's select use design, and then we are gonna be redirected to Kittl editor. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have our holiday greetings flat lay Christmas ornament card. So we can edit this card as we want. As you can see, we can move all these things according to our likings. So let's see what, as you can see, we can press Ctrl Z to just place it where it was. And then we have these texts that we can edit. These texts are also available here. Christmas, as you can see, we have curved text here. Let's see how we can manage these curved texts. Alright, so here it is, arc curve. So as you can see, these texts are being curved from these options here, and we can curve these texts more if we need. So that's how these texts have been curved. Now rise curve. Alright, these texts can be edited in many ways, and we have circle here. I'm pretty sure that this one is the circle. As you can see, yes, this one is the circle. And we can select custom transformation. Let's see what goes with custom transformation. So we have custom transformation here, and in custom transformation we can just drag these texts around like we can drag them like snakes, as you can see. So custom transformation is really cool if you know what you're doing. Okay, just like I don't know what I'm doing, so custom transformation is really shitty for me. And if you know what you're doing, then custom transformation can be a really good thing. As you can see, I've confirmed it, and now again Control Z because I've moved the whole frame. So as you can see, this custom transformation is ready, and it looks really curvy. So well, let's edit it again and change something in between. Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna lower out these lines a little. Right now that's somewhat lookable. So as you can see, guys, you can edit your thumb. So as you can see, guys, you can edit your design, and you can make whatever you want out of it. You can just change these group colors to your likings. As you can see, I want let's say I want cyan color in the blue. As you can see, I have selected cyan color in blue, and then what does this one change? This one changes these leaf colors. We can select green leaf colors, although the leaves don't stay green in winter. However, we can choose any color that we like, and you can also choose any color to your liking and make a colorful greeting card here. I'm pretty sure this one is the background. Yes, the background cannot be changed. Let's go ahead and check our background. As you can see, this is the background, and we have texture here. We have textured background, and that's why the color on the front also looks somehow. As you can see, guys, I've decreased the opacity of the background, and if I increase the opacity of the background, then the whole color will be blended with it. As you can see, the opacity is 100%. You can change the opacity to your liking. If 0, you get plain color, and if you get 50%, it looks good, but 100% is not quite good. So I'm gonna change it to 75%. And as you can see, now our card looks really aesthetic and beautiful. So you can select all of these things, adjust, and make any template to your liking. And you can also change your project name. I'm gonna give this one my card. And then you can download it to your computer. These are the pro features. You can remove background, optimize quality, remove Kittl logo. This one, they're talking about this one. If you want to remove this logo, you will have to purchase their premium membership. So, well, we're not gonna purchase premium membership now. So you can download it in JPG format or PNG format. Well, PNG is much more convenient, so I'm just gonna select PNG. Well, what's the selection error? Remember, Kindle, credit Kindle. All right. No worries. As you can see, my card has been downloaded, and we can view it from my computer. As you can see, their Kittl logo is here, and if you don't want this logo to be here, you'll have to purchase their premium membership in order to remove that logo. All right, so we're done with cards now. Let's go ahead and go to social media or something. All right, so we're gonna go to Kittl homepage again. You can select a project and you can start making something from scrap by going to new project. As you can see, we have a new file here, and we can start from scrap and depending on our page size. Standard, poster small, A5, A4, postcard, all of these, Facebook post, Instagram post, poster big. So we're gonna select something, let's say Facebook post size, and we can select create. All right, so we have a new project here. We can change our background color here. And as you can see, we have all the color palettes that's needed. You don't have to select colors customly. You can just select it from the presets that are here. All right, these are the premium colors, so we can't select premium colors because we're not premium membership. And we can add textures for our background from here. As you can see, I'm gonna select this texture. And you can select the opacity for the texture. And you can select how would you like the texture to act, like overlay or just something else. All right, so normal, color burn, overlay. Okay, that's normal, and that's overlay, and that's multiply. The multiply looks actually the most beautiful, so I'm just gonna keep multiply and decrease this one to 80% because it looks good. But you can select all of these textures, and there are lots of beautiful textures to choose from. And you can add your photos to your project by adding here. You can add any texts, you can add elements. As you can see, there are lots of elements here, but they're premium, so we won't be able to add them at the moment. Illustrations, well, we have free illustrations, so let's go ahead and drag one. All right, so I'm going to keep it like this, and you can select illustrations for your post. We have color modification here, modify color to your liking, and then you can add text if you need. As you can see, we can modify any of these texts that we need. Alright, so we have selected a vintage text, and now we're going to edit this text. We have it, and now we're going to double click on this, then double click on this, and now we can write something that we want. As you can see, we're going to write test project. Alright, now we're going to click outside, and it'll just be blended in this place. Finest not blend. I'm going to change it. Well, it's not fitting in, so let's say we have to decrease our text size, and then we have to decrease our text length. As you can see, we can drag it, and now it has fitted in place. Now we're gonna change this one, then we can change these if necessary. You can change this one, you can change this one. As you can see, guys, lots of things can be done here, and you can make an entire project out of scrap. So that's done. I'm gonna save this one as test, and then I'm gonna download the PNG file here. Voila, downloaded successfully. Well, why hasn't it been saved? So we're gonna press Ctrl S and save it. saved just now, and then we have closed the window. So as you can see, guys, you can do a lot more with Kittl. You can select from their preset custom designs and templates, or you can create an entire file out of scraps. And you can make an entire project out of scrap using Kittl's tools. Their effects, their texts, and their backgrounds are also really nice. So guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching our video. Until we meet again next time, stay safe and goodbye.
Enter everything like so. That works.
So, guys, if you like this, please subscribe and leave a like. And if you do like Kittl as a design tool, get your premium version by following my link in the description. I will get a small amount of cash for introducing this tool. You will not be charged more, but it helps me a lot. So thank you very much and see you soon.